Welcome to Insurance Funda. Today, we'll simplify IC 38 Chapter 2. Core Elements of Insurance. By the end of this video, you'll confidently understand important concepts needed for your IRDA exam. Let's start. Insurance revolves around four key elements: an asset, a risk pooling, an insurance contract. Let's explore each element clearly. An asset is something valuable with economic worth. It generates income, like a cow or a machine, or it serves important needs, like a fridge or your good health. But not everything valuable is an asset. Air and sunlight are essential but not assets, as they're not scarce and not owned individually. Risk means the possibility of loss. It's uncertain, your house catching fire or having a car accident. The specific event causing loss is called a peril, like earthquakes, floods, or burglary. Remember, insurance covers unexpected losses, not normal wear and tear. Risk events are categorized into three types: critical, serious but manageable losses, like a factory fire causing heavy financial loss; catastrophic, severe, widespread, irreversible losses, like earthquakes or pandemics; marginal, insignificant, minor issues easily affordable, like a minor car scratch. A hazard increases the chance of loss from a peril. There are three main hazards: physical hazard, like defective wiring causing fire; moral hazard, dishonesty like purposely setting fire to claim insurance; legal hazard, increased liabilities due to loss, like worker compensation laws. Insurance relies on risk pooling. Imagine 1 lakh houses facing a small fire risk. Each homeowner pays a small premium into a common fund. If a few homes catch fire, the pool fund covers the loss. This ensures fairness and stability. Insurance works because of the law of large numbers. The more people insured, the more accurate predictions become. Insurers must remain solvent, financially stable, to pay claims. In India, insurers maintain at least a 1.5 solvency ratio to stay financially healthy. To insure any risk, insurers look for: 1. Many similar units to predict loss. 2. Definite and measurable losses. 3. Accidental events beyond control. 4. Few losses compared to many insured. 5. Economically viable insurance cost. 6. Insurance contracts consistent with public policy. Let's quickly recap. Asset has economic value. Risk, chance of loss. Hazard increases risk. Risk pooling, many pay premiums to cover few losses. Now a quick question from your exam. Which of these is not an insurable risk? 1. Fire. 2. Stolen goods. 3. Burglary. 4. Ship capsizing. Answer: stolen goods, option 2. Because insurance covers accidental events, not intentional ones. To revise better, download the Smart All-in-One Calculator app featuring IC 38 notes, flashcards, and practice tests. forget to subscribe to Insurance Funda for more chapters.